this video, I'm going to show you how to bold your text on an Instagram post. So what we can do is go to Instagram and go to your profile. You can go to your profile from the bottom right corner here, and you'll be at your profile. Go ahead and choose the post that you want to manipulate with the bold text. And what we're going to do is once you have your post chosen, we're going to go to the three dots at the top right corner of that post and go ahead and where it says edit, go ahead and click edit. So what we're going to do is make sure that you highlight the correct area that you want to bold text here, and we're just going to select this, and let's make it the entire word here. So what we can do is go ahead and copy that text. All right, it's copied, and what you want to do from this point is don't go out of this area here, just close out of Instagram and go to any browser that you have on your phone. It can be Google Chrome or Safari. And we're going to go ahead and type in bold text generator. As you see, I already have it here. We'll just research that. Go ahead and click that. And basically what we're going to do here is paste the text here and copy it because it's going to give us some options for a bold text. So we will click and hold. We will paste and then hit done. And it's already going to give us here, give us some options here. So we can go ahead and click and hold again and copy this text and then come back out of the web browser, go back to Instagram, delete that text, and then click and hold once more. Go ahead and hit paste. And now the text is bolded just from that website. It's very easy. So go ahead and copy your text, bring it to that website. It'll give you some bold text options, and then repaste it into your description of your caption of your post. So that's it. And then from this point, we can just hit done, back to the regular post here, and there you go. It says The Lion King art with Disney friends, and the Lion King part is in bold. Hope you guys liked the video. Hopefully this was a very simplistic way to do it for you, and we'll see you in the next video.